The Nutribullet Combo 1200 watt is a versatile kitchen powerhouse designed to elevate nutrient extraction with its dual functionality, offering both a multi-serving pitcher and a single-serve cup. With 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, this blender provides comprehensive control, allowing you to effortlessly create smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butters with its 1200 watts of power. Included in the package are a 64-ounce blender pitcher, 2 convenient to-go lids, and a range of cups, ensuring you have everything you need for any blending task. The blender's Easy-Twist Extractor Blade, crafted from stainless steel and designed with cyclonic action, combined with BPA-free, durable plastic components, guarantees superior blending performance. Cleaning is a breeze as the pitcher and cups are dishwasher-safe, and the extractor blade can be easily rinsed with soap and water, making maintenance hassle-free. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Nutribullet Combo 1200 watts promises reliability and peace of mind for all your blending needs.